Hello, this is Gradle from Elevate Care Insights, and just wanted to show you how the program looks printed off. This is the program charting your path, all the stuff that you need to know and think about as a care leaver. It contains the Transitioning to Adulthood program, and each care leaver, each young person will have a copy of this, and the key workers and the support workers will guide them through using this document and also gathering all of the information that they need to support their transition to adulthood. So we use it as a program in supported accommodation for 16 to 18-year-olds, but it can also be used for young people who are 18 plus. So inside is the content section, which covers the introduction. The sections are divided up clearly: transitioning to independence, who am I and what do I want, jobs and careers part 1. Also in this section there's the 5-day work experience templates. Jobs and careers is section 4, part 2. Section 5, further and higher education information. Section 6, study skills. Section 7, money, money, money. Section 8, where will I live? Section 9 is the largest section. It's about life skills. Includes nutrition, cleaning, bills, looking after your home. Section 10 continues life skills and looks at risks, also crime, gangs, drugs, family problems, knowing your rights. Section 11, your physical health. Section 12, your mental health. So what we would like people to do in this program is to think about how you will use the Charting Your Path book with a young person firstly. So we give a lot of guidance and information on how to do that within the workbook, which is user-friendly for the young person. The key worker needs to think about how you communicate with that young person, and also identity issues and issues that might come up whilst using the program. And to support that, we have the online training for key workers, which comes with the program. So it's a step-by-step program to support you to do the work that's within here, the direct work that's within here. It's all based on an approach and a therapeutic model, which also includes attachment issues and issues to do with young people who might have difficulties in engaging, and also it supports the learning achievements for key workers as well as the young people. So please do take a look at the information within the workbook. Contact us at any time. Also look at the training. The training also supports managers and supervisors on how to support staff in the implementation. And we also have, because it's been piloted in our supported accommodation, we have inputs from young people on our training who let us know what it was like using the workbook, using the program, and also giving us feedback on things to make changes, which we have incorporated in this edition. So as always, please do like and subscribe, and visit the links below to get your copy and to sign up to the training.